Welcome student, myself Avinash Srivastava. Today we will study about class 9th chemistry, chapter number 1. In my previous class we have studied about liquid state of matter, solid state of matter and gas state of matter and their properties and the molecular expansion. Okay. After that today we will study about difference between gas and vapor. After that we will study the fourth and the fifth state of matter. Okay, so let us start from the work. Okay, so what is the difference between gas and the vapor? A gas and a vapor means same things, yet they are different. Okay, so water exists in the liquid state at room temperature. So the gaseous state of water at room temperature is called vapor, water vapor. Similarly, the substance like petrol, alcohol, perfumes, etc. are the liquid state at room temperature. So their gaseous state at room temperature is known as their vapor, such as vapor of petrol or alcohol, etc. Here, student, the substance which are normally present on gaseous state on room temperature is called vapor. Here we can say it is vapor, like water vapor, like petrols, perfumes, their vapor. So the gas, so their gaseous state of room at room temperature is known as their vapor, such as vapor of petrol and alcohol. Okay, so the term gas is used to describe those substances which do not exist at liquid at room temperature. For example, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, ammonia, etc. do not exist in the liquid state at room temperature. Their state at room temperature is gaseous. So we say oxygen gas or nitrogen gas, etc. The term gas is used to describe those substances which do not exist at liquid as a room temperature. And actually the gas is the substance which do not state at liquid state on room temperature, which also present in gaseous state in also a room temperature. That substance is also called gas, like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, ammonia. Okay, so this is the difference between gas and the vapor. Okay, students, now we will move through throughout the toward the fourth and fifth state of matter. Before that, we will study about difference between liquid and gases. Okay, it is also an important topic. It will come in your exam. Oh, so look here. Liquid and gases are fluid. However, liquid always flow in one direction, that is, from a higher to a lower level, whereas gases can flow in all directions. Liquid are almost incompressible. Incompressible means that cannot be compressed, whereas gases are highly compressible. Yeah, student, we know very well gases are highly compressible. A liquid has a well-defined surface such that it can be kept in an open container from which it will not escape on its own. On the contrary, a gas fills all the space in the container in which it is kept. It does not have the free surface and it is always kept in closed vessel. A liquid has well-defined surface. I want to say that student, there is well-defined surface of liquid, but the gas has not a well-defined surface. It covers all the space of a container. Okay. On the contrary, a gas fills all the space in the container in which it is kept. It does not have the free space and it always kept in closed vessel. Okay, students. Now we will study about the fourth and fifth state of plasma. Okay. Besides the three states of matter, there are two more states of matter. They are fourth and fifth states of matter called plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. So, what is plasma? Fourth state of matter. Plasma consists of ionized gas such that its particles are super energetic and super excited. In devices such as tube light, compressed fluorescent light, and gases get ionized on the passage of the current and glow with a particular color depending upon the nature of the gases. That means, student, plasma are the ionized gas such that they are particles super energetic and super excited. Okay. In devices such as tube light, compressed fluorescent light, that is called CFL, the gases are ionized on the basis of on the passage of current. They glow and with a particular color depending upon the nature of the gases. For example, neon gas emits the red glow, whereas argon emits green glow. In stars, it is plasma which glows because the atmosphere of stars is made up of plasma. The shining of stars is because of plasma state. Okay, because the atmosphere is made up of plasma. Now, student, the last state, that is Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose means Satyendrath Bose and Einstein means Albert Einstein. Condensate. In 1920, Indian physicist Satyendrath Bose theoretically predicted the fifth state of matter. Yeah, student, the fifth state of matter. The state is formed when a gas at very low density, 100,000 times less than the density of normal gas. This state is formed when a gas kept at a very low density. That means density of 100,000 times less than the density of normal air is super cool to almost Kelvin 0 temperature. Is super cool to almost Kelvin 0 centigrade. Einstein further worked that state up called Bose-Einstein condensate. That means the gas kept at very low temperature, low pressure almost 100,000 times from the normal density of gas, is super cooled almost Kelvin 0 temperature. Then Bose-Einstein condensate is formed. Einstein further worked on S-N-Bose calculation and predicted the fifth state of matter. This state was experimentally confirmed by Eric A. Cornell, Wolfgang Petri, and Carl E. Wieman of USA in 2001. They were awarded the Nobel Prize for the discovery. Yeah, students, for this discovery, they have awarded the Nobel Prize. We have studied about in this chapter about different states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas, the properties of matter. After that, we have studied about difference between liquid and gases. Okay. Now, student, we have studied about plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Now, student, I am giving you homework to find out the difference between liquid, gases, and solids on the basis of their characteristics. You have to write about the difference between solid, liquid, and gas on the basis of their characteristics. Okay. In my next class, we will study about the interconversion of states. In which we will study about melting point, boiling point, okay, and all these things. Okay, student, make a proper notes of this chapter and write down the homework is write down the difference between solid, liquid, and gas, and write about fourth and fifth state of matter. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.